Yes, all right. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Yes, I would like to welcome you guys, those ones who are still new on this channel. Please make sure that you click on the red button, ring the bell, cause you're missing out. Yes, we make sure that we upload a video every week for you guys to learn. So this time around, I have something that is very, very interesting that I would like to share with you guys. Yes, because I've been hearing people asking about the way they can always do this, these crochet, and even others have failed on how to do it. So I would like you to listen to me very careful, because there's some things that I'm going to tell you that will help you when you're trying to do this kind of crochet. Yes, and before we do that, we need to first see how is our hair. Do we have the hairline? The hairline is very, very okay. So here we just have to separate our hair according to the style that we are going to do. So here I'm just going to have this because I want to create a little bit like a design on the side. And now on these ones I'm going to separate it like the way we always do our other braids, like the way you can separate your hair according to what you're going to do. So here I'm going to do this because I want the front to be well arranged. And now as I'm starting, this is the molding gel. You can use any type of a gel that you have. Yes, according to others, I can use shine and jam, molding gel. Yes, there is lace jam. There are a lot of gel that you can always use. So here, what I want you to understand is we're going to use the same technique with the crochet, since this is going to be like the individual. But those ones who have been watching us on doing the melee dreads, you can understand. Now, what we always do here is the type of the hair extension that you always that you have is the way you can always part the hair that you're going to add the extension. So the hair that you part matters. So this is the Zuri hair extension, the Zuri crochet from the Darling company that we're going to use. Most probably you will have to use 3 pieces. 3 pieces, they can either be 2.5 or even 2, but not more than 3. And I'm going to explain to you why. So when you try to look at this extension, it is somehow big in size. When you look at it, it is somehow big. So here, what the mistake that you guys have been doing is that maybe if you try to do it as a crochet, you always do small cornrows. So as you're adding the crochet, you find like it is very hard for you to pass through inside. So here I'm just going to add it this way by pulling it with this hair in the middle. Then after doing all that, I have to first braid this. Yes, I braid my hair like this. So I braid my hair like this. This one helps. Yeah, as this one helps in that if you don't use if you're not going to crochet it with cornrows, you can always plait it with this one. So this is what you get to do with your hair. So since this is natural hair, we don't need to make it too much of threes. So after reaching somewhere, you just have to twist it like this. So here we're twisting on the hair, but when we have already inserted the crochet inside, the Zuri crochet, yes, from Darling company. What I like from this crochet, it is that it is very soft, so you can always use it. Now here you just have to bring it inside the hair like this. You make sure that you crochet it inside, and you make sure that it is inside very well. Yes, following the twisting, the way it is twisted, until you reach at the end, just like that. You see, just like that. So when you finish it this way, you can try to a little bit pull in. You see how amazing it looks. So let me try to show you here. Let me try to show you here so that you can see. But if you try to look here, the way I'm spacing is that I don't overpack it. So those also are going to overpack, you may not get these results very well. Why? It is because this crochet is somehow big, with the extension is big, so it means even the hair that you're going to make, it shouldn't be in small size. Don't part in the small size. It is also supposed to be a little bit bigger. You know why? It is because this is going to protect the hair. Sometimes when we have a big hair extension and we add it on a small parting hair, like parted hair, like when you part small hair, you find out it might break the hair. So this is why you can always do, you pull it very well, you make sure you bring it just like that, you start braiding it. When the other one is down, you braid the hair only without adding any tension. Yes, you braid the hair very well, just like this. So after braiding it, you keep on, so not too much, and then you start here twisting. You don't need to over braid the natural hair, because sometimes when you over braid it, when it comes to unplaiting, yes, it is not very easy. So after all that, you just have to pull your hair just like this. So here, what I wanted to explain mostly is that why you have been failing is that, yes, this crochet is very soft and nice, but when you don't understand this procedure of when the hair extension is big, then when I'm parting, I have to make it still big. But if it was smaller than this, then still our parting would have been small. So please note that, in that it is going to help you a lot when you're trying to do these kind of crochet. The Zuri crochet, what I love about this crochet is that they give you that dread look, and it is so amazing that it gives you that dread look. You can see how it looks. It's very nice. So as you're braiding like this, you just have to keep on just like that. You see, you braid it this way just like that. So when you reach somewhere, you just have to twist it. In that, when you try to look down here, you can already see where we are going, in that our lines are perfect, and how we are trying to insert this crochet, it is looking very perfect. So that is the same thing that you always have to do. And please note that this hairstyle can always go in all hair type. If you have your hair and it is relaxed, yes, I mean those ones who have done the retouch of from their natural hair to straight hair, you can still achieve this kind of hair. Yes, you can still have it as long as you use this method. And I believe, like those ones who would want it in like a crochet format, still what you need to understand is to make sure that it is the corners are bigger, not just like this. So this is how you can always space them this way. I love them so much, and please, if you have any question that you need to ask on this, you can always go in my comment section, tell me what you feel about this hair, and yes, I'll be there to answer you. Shout out to everyone who is watching me wherever you are, and please, when you're making a comment, I would like you to tell me where you're watching me from, because yes, I always feel happy when we chat. Yes, I always love it, so that I can know where you're coming from. So this is what you can always do, just like this. You make sure that you follow all these steps. They're going to help you a lot. You can see even she's trying to doze because she's feeling okay. There's no any tension, no pain. Yes, so this is how amazing this hairstyle is. And already I got some comments from on TikTok, and guys, they're trying to say that like they didn't know how to use this crochet, but the only thing that you need to understand is that it is very nice and very easy to install, as the way if you try to use this kind of method. I know there's some other methods that you can always do, yes, but for now you can always do this, and it is going to help you a lot. Yes, indeed. So let's see what is gonna come out. You know, remember we had the hair that we had parted on the side, and for that one we have to do it differently. So if you try to see my previous videos, my previous video about this same hair, I tried to do it like the whole head using this invisible locking, but this time around I chose to do it on the side. And for you, maybe you can choose to do cornrows. Yes, it can also still work. When you try to do cornrows, it can also work. So I'm doing these invisible lockings on the sides, and they're also going to do it perfectly. So on this one, maybe the gel you can change, because yes, here you might use here I'm using the Osat gel, Osat. Yeah, but still, for those ones who are using like lace jam, shine and jam, those gel, they're okay with this one. But molding gel might not work on this part when doing the invisible locking. Wow, I just love, you can see how it is. And this one, I believe that you can do it differently. It's not like Mercy can do it like me. You can always do it differently. Yes, because this is just a matter of being creative. Yes, you just have to add on your creativity and you get something like this. So this is what I got for you, and you can see now our remaining here. Still, we can do it the way we have done this one, by adding our gel just like that. Yes, and all I want to remind you is that when you're doing this kind of hairstyle, please, the hair pieces, let them not exceed 4 pieces, because when they exceed they exceed like 3 pieces, it might be a lot. At least try to maintain using like 3, maybe like 2.5, but 3 probably, they're very very fine. Yes, so just like that. Maybe it will also depend on someone's head, but I believe like maybe when you go into 4, they might be a lot. Yes, and we don't need to make it too much. We just need a few of them, just like that. So when you twist it this way, it is going to look very very nice. So those ones who would want to purchase this hair, yes, just go to the website Darling Company, yes, the Darling Company. You can always have Darling Uganda. Yeah, it is Darling Uganda. You can always have this Zuri crochet. It is very very nice, and you can see how soft it is. So when we're done with that, we're just going to have a simple makeup, and there we are good to go. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and please, if you have any question that you need to ask about this hairstyle, I'm there to answer you. Just go right in my comment section, tell me what you feel about this hair, and I'll be there to answer you. Yes, I'm gonna be signing out, but remember, we always upload videos every week. I make sure that I upload a video. And yes, if you're still new here, please make sure that you make a point by clicking on that red button, subscribe. And yes, I would like to welcome all the return subscribers. Yes, you're so welcome. And now let's do this together. Yes, we started already our online classes. You can always you can find the website still in my description. You see how it looks? So amazing, so very 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 interesting. I love it. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Sign out. Bye bye. May God bless you all.